Alright everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. It's a little bit late. I had some things to do today after work, so here we are, late at the hour, about like 10 p.m. Anyways, went ahead and worked on a whole bunch of stuff today. Well, doesn't look like it, but worked on these switches right here, which are halfway done. All the receptacles that I put in yesterday were upside down. Forgot we're working in a hospital. Haven't done receptacles in a while, so everything had to get taken out and flipped over. The ground has to be up in a hospital setting, at least in this department that we're working in. So I took out every single receptacle, flipped them upside down, and these 5 receptacles right here, they are getting the wall protection just like this wall here on the right side. So it's like this little thin sheet of plastic. And then worked on these switches right here. All the switches get stainless steel. So as you can see right here, this little piece of tape, which I wasn't aware of when I installed the receptacles yesterday. WP stands for wall protection, so that roll of plastic right there, just like this, is going to be going on that back wall. So I'm leaving all those receptacles still off, so they don't get glue all over them if somebody messes up. Went ahead and put in these GFCIs today, the ivory, the 2 double Decora GFCIs, the red single receptacle in the corner, this red receptacle for the UPS power and the critical power, and then another double Decora switch right here. And these are independent with separate power sources with a metal divider inside the middle. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Drop a like and subscribe if you enjoyed. I will see you guys back in the next one. Here's a picture of a goose. Peace.